Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Girl Toys is probably one of the most exciting gifts you can give a 6-year-old girl, as it's a time of immense growth and exploration, and the right toy can significantly contribute to their development. Finding the perfect toy that sparks their imagination, encourages creativity, and promotes learning can be a fun and rewarding experience for both the giver and the receiver. This video will explore some of the best toys for 6-year-old girls, focusing on those that offer a balance of fun, educational value, and age appropriateness. Number 5. Purple Ladybug Unicorn Water Bottle Kit. Transform a plain water bottle into a sparkling masterpiece. It's easy and fun for kids of all ages. This kit has a water bottle, unicorn charms, gemstone stickers, and more. There are even extra stickers for even more decorating fun. Looking for a unique and creative gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's fun, practical, and sure to be a hit. It's easy to decorate, the stickers are waterproof, and the bottle is easy for little hands to use. Plus, it's made with safe, non-toxic materials. We prioritize your child's safety. It's made with BPA-free materials and rigorously tested to meet the highest safety standards. What we like? It's a fun and creative way for kids to personalize their own water bottle. If you are looking for a unique and practical gift that encourages creativity and healthy habits, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who love unicorns and enjoy arts and crafts. What people say? So fun and creative. The stickers are cute and stick well. Great gift or rainy day project. Amazing product if you have kids. My daughter loves her new water bottle. She also had so much fun decorating it. I love that it's like an activity and she gets to personalize her own bottle. Perfect for her age, she's 7. Great quality and much more stickers that can be used so you can use them for something else too. The kit comes with everything needed to transform a plain water bottle into a unique masterpiece: multiple sheets of vibrant stickers, glittery gems, and colorful markers. The variety of decorations allows for endless combinations, ensuring that each bottle reflects its creator's personality and style. Number 4. Meland Toy Doctor Kit. This doctor kit is perfect for aspiring young doctors. It comes with everything they need to start their medical practice. It includes a cute dog toy, a doctor coat and hat, a carrying bag, and many realistic medical tools. It's a great way to spark their imagination. This kit helps children become familiar with medical tools and procedures, making doctor visits less scary. It's a fun way to learn about health. Kids can role-play as doctors, nurses, or patients. The adjustable thermometer and light-up stethoscope add to the fun and encourage imaginative play. It helps develop communication, empathy, and confidence. It's a great way to spend quality time with your child, engaging in interactive play. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's recommended for girls aged 3 to 8 years old who dream of a career in medicine. What we like? This kit lets kids role-play as doctors and nurses, fostering imagination and empathy. If your child dreams of a medical career or enjoys imaginative play, this is ideal. It's also a great way to ease anxieties about doctor visits. What people say? The toys have lights that make them seem more realistic and functional. The stethoscope makes a sound like a heartbeat and lights up. The needle for shot has a spring in it so that it seems as if the child is actually giving a shot. Each piece feels durable and well-made, which is a huge plus for any parent or gift giver. I love that the toys can withstand the enthusiastic play of young children, no worrying about fragile pieces or low-quality materials here. The selection of accessories included in the kit is remarkable. There are so many tools and items that allow for limitless creative scenarios, keeping my niece engaged and entertained for hours. Number 3. Hatchimals CollEGGtibles Mermal Magic Aquarium. Dive into a magical underwater world with the Hatchimals CollEGGtibles Mermal Magic Aquarium. This Amazon-exclusive playset brings the wonder of Hatchtopia to your home. Fill it with warm water and watch as your Hatchimals come to life in this enchanting underwater scene. It's an amazing experience for kids. Carefully rub the heart on each seashell-shaped egg to hatch 8 exclusive Hatchimals Mermals. These adorable CollEGGtibles are waiting to be discovered. Submerge your Season 5 Hatchimals in the water to reveal their secret colors. Watch them change back when you lift them out. The magic happens again and again. This playset and the 8 included Hatchimals make a perfect gift for girls and kids aged 5 and up. It's a fun and engaging way to spark their imagination. The Hatchimals CollEGGtibles Mermal Magic Aquarium is part of a larger collection. Start your collection today and discover all the adorable characters. What we like. These adorable collectible characters change color in water, adding an element of surprise and excitement. If your child loves collecting cute toys and enjoys underwater themes, this is perfect. It's a fun and engaging way to spark their imagination. What people say. It was already assembled when I took it out of the box. The only setup is to break open the eggs, which is hard even for me, by the way. If you're new to Hatchimals, then the eggs are hard to open even for adults, let alone children like my daughter, who has fine and gross motor challenges. Anyway, there are 4 eggs to open and 4 characters without eggs. The fins change color as stated, and there are little pegs for all the characters to stay put in the water so they don't float up. It's a fun play set for kids. Each little creature has a hole in the bottom so they can sit on the notches made for them in the enclosure, and they do stay put when they're properly situated. If you're looking for a cute toy, Hatchimals are the way to go. The hot water changes their tail colors. Overall, it was a big hit of a present. She loves playing with them in the aquarium. Number 2. LED Light-Up Archery Toy Set. Get ready to unbox this amazing archery set. It includes a luminous bow, a quiver, a target, and 10 suction cup arrows. Everything you need for hours of fun. This set prioritizes safety. The suction cup arrowheads ensure safe play, and the lightweight bow is easy for little ones to handle. Watch it light up. The bow's LED lights add an extra element of excitement, making it perfect for nighttime play. You'll be able to easily track your shots, even in the dark. It's easy to learn. The adjustable bowstring helps you improve your aim, and the strong suction cups make sure your arrows stick to the target every time. It's educational too. This set helps develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and encourages outdoor activity. It's a great way to spend time with friends and family. Looking for a gift? This archery set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's fun, safe, and provides endless entertainment. What we like. This bow and arrow set features LED lights and suction cup arrows for safe indoor-outdoor fun. If you're looking for an active and engaging toy that promotes hand-eye coordination, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who enjoy target practice and outdoor games. What people say. The suction is great and having the holder keeps everything contained. This is such a great little bow and arrow set for learning to shoot and aim it correctly. The size of the bow is perfect for young kids and most importantly is very safe. The bow also folds, which makes it easier to store. Additionally, there are enough arrows to share with friends and take turns. Number 1. Purple Ladybug DIY Jewelry Box. It's a complete DIY kit, perfect for kids who love crafting. Let's create something beautiful together. It features a high-quality solid wood box, ready for your personal touch. It's the perfect size for all your treasures. With over 1,500 colorful gems, you can customize it to be truly unique. Let your imagination run wild. It includes non-toxic glue and gloves, ensuring a safe and enjoyable crafting experience for everyone. It's worry-free fun. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays or holidays. It's a creative and thoughtful present that will be cherished. It's built to last with secure metal hinges and plenty of space for rings, bracelets, and more. It's a keepsake to be treasured. What we like. Kids can create their own unique jewelry box using sparkly gems and other decorative elements. If your child enjoys arts and crafts and loves making personalized keepsakes, this is a great choice. It's a fun and rewarding activity that encourages creativity. What people say. The box is well constructed, sturdy and beautiful. The kit comes with ample products to sufficiently decorate the box. Great for all ages 4ish plus. My daughter is 5, and we both equally enjoyed this activity. It was a simple task, with simple supplies, yet it kept our attention from start to finish and had our creative juices flowing. Easy to use. All of the colors of the clay included pair so well together too. The bling stickers are gorgeous and sparkly. It'd be impossible to have an ugly end result. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.